what should you wear? I think you should do this. I think you should wear something that is going to resonate with your listener. So if that's a baseball cap, if that is doing your makeup, if that is a collared shirt, a press shirt, a button-up shirt, a bow tie, anything, a cutoff shirt, or completely shirtless, whatever it is for you and the legalities of what you want to do should be taken into account where it is going to be able to resonate with your right person. So for example, if you are doing a fitness thing, it would make a lot of sense. If your fitness is in line, if you look healthy, if you look jacked, if you look lean, whatever it is that you do, maybe you're looking the part by making sure that you wear something that can emphasize that or show that. So like the cutoff shirt that I'm wearing now, probably for the wrong podcast. Right? But if I was doing fitness, then either go shirtless or wear a tank top or wear something where it could be a little bit form-fitting so that your perfect client can say, hey, this is somebody that I'm looking to learn from. And same thing if for me, like with my podcasting, I just want to be myself. That's my most important thing. So what I wear is whatever I naturally am going to wear. Of course, I'm not going to do these nude. I'm not going to do something like that, something crazy. I'm going to do something where I'm comfortable and I know that I shouldn't be repelling my perfect person. I should be just letting them know who I am and what I'm about it naturally and comfortably. And that goes to our last thing. So that's what to wear. What to wear is whatever you are comfortable in, whatever helps the agenda of your podcast and whatever your listener is expecting you to look like as well. So somewhere in the middle, you've got to always play this game where it's between, you don't ever want to impress your listener so much that you're not yourself. So if you are going to dress up, if you are going to, let's just say you're a financial advisor, for example, and you've always been professional in your life. You've always come across very professional. You've always worn suits. Well, if you're comfortable in that suit and your perfect listener, your perfect avatar is the type of person that is comfortable working with somebody who dresses the part and you're comfortable with it, then do it. And if not, then you gotta wear what you feel the most comfortable. So think about those. And then the last part, this overlaps with the listener experience as well. You've got to be yourself. You got to be your natural self. You have to be who you are to the core, which means the language that you use should reflect who you are in real life. Who you are with your family, with your partner, with your your kids, your best friends, the girls, the guys. Your language, how you talk, how you present yourself, what you talk about should be in very much in line with your natural core self. There may be, if that's you're that business person or whatever, there may be some things that you want to refrain from. There may be. In my mind, for me, Adam Adams, in my podcasting experience, and you as the listener, it's going to be incredibly important for me to want to not impress you. This is like the thing that I'm always thinking. Do not worry about impressing them with fancy language. Do not worry about impressing your listener with facts. Do not worry about impressing your listener with an expensive hairstyle or facial hair or whatever you wear. Don't worry about stressing about impressing, about the language that you use, or if you ever get off track with your dyslexia or ADD. Instead, speak from your heart. That's what I'm always thinking about. Be myself to the core, who I am with everybody, and not to stress about making it perfect because a lot of reasons. One, if I'm not stressed about making it perfect or impressive, then I actually believe that it becomes more perfect and more impressive because there is perfection within imperfection. There is honesty and connectivity with being your congruent human being, like that one person that you truly are. If we're going out and above it, like if we're trying to impress somebody, usually and generally the listener or the viewer sees right through it. They're like, there's something wrong here. This person is too formal. This person doesn't seem comfortable. This person doesn't seem like they feel comfortable in their own skin. I'm not sure if they're lying to me right now, or if they're just uncomfortable, or if they're scared about doing this, or if they're whatever the phrase would be, you're going to have a listener or many listeners who think through you trying to impress them as it's a bad thing, as you're just not being your true human self. So definitely, please think about that.